Hey everybody, welcome to the Sunday night version of the Posh premiere of the Bob J&G Closet. I've got some items to show you. I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get right into it. I'm glad you're here. First up, we have this sweater by Moon and Madison. It's a size extra small. If you look, there's a lot of nice detail in it. It's kind of a chunky knit. And look at these little details right here on the side. Here's the sleeves, and here's the back. It's a cowl neck, as you can see. It's Moon and Madison, size extra small. Next up, we have these slacks. They're the nice little herringbone style. These slacks have a little bit of, like a couple of darts, I guess you'd say, in the front. It has a side zipper. They're fully lined. They're Michelle. They're a size 8. And they're a straight leg with a little bit of a split on it, on both legs. Michelle, size 8. Next up, I have this sweater by Bryant. It's a cardigan. This is a size, let's see, 22 to 24. It has a nice kind of a tropical print, I would say. It has little bit of ribbing at the bottom. 3/4 length sleeves that you can roll up or not. But again, this is Bryant size, size 22, 24. Next up, we have these leggings. These leggings are lined with a little bit of fur, black fur. It says one size fits all, but I'm gonna say like a medium, small medium. They got quite a bit of stretch in them, but not that much. So these are leggings with a little bit of a flower design on them. They're really soft, and again, they have that fleece on the inside. This is a duster by New Directions. There's no closure on it. It has a little kind of a diamond pattern in the back. This is a size small by New Direction, and I'm calling it a duster. Next up, we have this vintage dress by Betsy Johnson. This is cute. I can see where you could put like a little belt on it if you wanted to. It has a hidden zipper in the back. It has like cap sleeves, short sleeves. It's a really stretchy material. It also has a little split in the back at the, the bottom of the hem. It's Betsy Johnson. It's a size 10. And it's vintage, so I'm gonna say that it's probably more like a size 8 or a 9. It's really cute. Next up, we have this waffle knit shirt. It has a little knot at the front. It has sort of a camo looking, well, I'm not gonna say camo, more of an animal print looking decoration on the arm with like a little band right here. Long sleeves. It looks the same in the back, except it doesn't have that little twisty knot on it. This is by Carol Christian. This is a size, let's see. This is a size large. It's really cute, lightweight. Next up, we have this menswear vest by Liz Claiborne. It has some nice detail to it. It has suede little tabs with the buckle, and it has splits on both sides. It's kind of a woolen fabric. Buttons down the front, and it has these little faux, actually they're real pockets. So it's a Liz Claiborne menswear vest, and it's a size petite 12. Size petite 12. Next up, we have this blazer by Jacqueline Andrews. It's a size 12. Here's the sleeves. 3 buttons on the sleeves, both sleeves. Here's the back of it. And it buttons all the way down. Let's see how these come. These pockets are on here, but they're faux pockets. You can't get in them. Nice little detail right here. Jacqueline Andrews, size 12. Next up, I have this sort of quilted jacket by Bonworth. This is a size medium. Here's the sleeves. You can fold them up or not. Here's the back, and it has a little trim along the edge of it. It goes all the way around here and around here. And it has that little polka dot on the inside. Size medium, Bonworth. Next, I have this tunic top by Maggie Barnes. It's a size 3X. Nice detail. It has like a little gold going throughout it. These are the sleeves. These are the buttons, which are, I don't know what color those buttons are, but these are the buttons that are on it. I guess it's to stand out. So it's Maggie Barnes 3X. Here's the back. There's a little bit of a split on the sides of the blouse. It's a light fabric, kind of sheer. Maggie Barnes. Next, I have another duster. This duster is by Max Studio. This also has little splits on the side of it. I can see you wearing this with like maybe a pair of jeans or something and a white top. Here's the sleeves. Got a little detail on there too. That's the back. This is a size medium, Max Studio. Next up, I got another little funky vintage item. This is by G. It's a crushed velvet look. Take a look at the sleeves. The sleeves gather up and they have ties on them. The crushed velvet follows to the back, but it's not obviously on the sleeves. It's G. It's a size small. And this too has little splits on the side of the shirt. So this is a nice little vintage look. And look at that. There's a little X detail on there. Okay, that's that. Now I have a backpack I want to show you. This backpack is by Kenneth Cole. It's genuine leather, soft butter leather. Here's the straps. It has a compartment back here. There's a snap closure. You open this up. You got plenty of storage space in here. You've got this little pouch part right there. Open that up. Plenty of storage there. Plenty of storage on here. You can stick your cell phone in here. You can do all sorts of things with this. This is Kenneth Cole, solid black, genuine leather backpack. And finally, I have a pair of shoes to show you. These shoes are by Cynthia Rowley. They're a size 8.5. They're a pinstripe type of print, pointy toes, sling back. Let's see what else I can show you. You can see that everything is in good shape here. I said 8.5 B, Cynthia Rowley. Okay. Well, that's it for this edition of the Poshmark Premiere. As a reminder, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel because we got some good stuff coming for you. And once again, anything you see on here that you're interested in, look in the description box below. Click on the link. You can purchase the item. You can look around. You can be assured that once you click purchase, I get notified. I will print the shipping label, plop it on the box, pack it nice and pretty, and it'll be in the mail to you, and you should have it in a matter of 2 or 3 days. If there's anything that I can bring to you that I've not brought to you that you're interested in, please let me know because I want this to be for you. So, thank you for your attention tonight, and I will see you on the next edition of the Posh Premiere. Have a great evening.